dear children, welcome to our science class. Today we are going to start chapter 6, Health and Diseases. In this chapter, we are going to learn about good health, diseases, type of diseases, spread of diseases and prevention of diseases. So my dear student, our first topic is good health. What is good health? Good health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and free from diseases. For good health, we need good quality of food. That is very important for good health. Exercise. Regular exercise is very important for our good health. It makes our body healthy and strong. Sleep. We should sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. It is also very important for good health. Diseases. A disease is a condition in which the body and mind does not function normally, or diseases affects the health of a person. Causes. A disease may be caused due to infection by germs, improper functioning of some body part and lack of nutrients in the diet. Now our next topic is germs. What are germs? Germs are microorganisms which cause diseases, which are very small and we cannot be seen with the naked eye. These can be observed only under a microscope. Types of germs: bacteria, protozoa, fungi, virus. Bacteria can cause diseases like typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera, pneumonia, etc. Protozoa can cause diseases like malaria, dysentery, etc. Fungi can cause disease like ringworm, food poisoning, etc. Virus can cause diseases like viral fever, chickenpox, jaundice, AIDS, corona. My dear children, nowadays we are facing coronavirus. It can be spread from one person to another person. It is also a kind of virus. Types of diseases. Communicable, or we can say that infectious diseases, and non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Let's learn about communicable or infectious diseases. Communicable diseases are the diseases which spread from one person to another. These diseases are caused by microorganisms called germs. These germs are carried from a sick person to a healthy person, either by direct contact or through air, food, water or insects. Now our next topic is spread of communicable diseases. Through direct contact. Many diseases spread through direct contact with a sick person or by using things like clothing, towel or a handkerchief of a patient. Diseases spread through direct contact like chickenpox, measles, mumps and ringworm, etc. Through air. When a person suffering from a communicable disease like cough and sneeze, the germs come out into the air and spread all around. When a healthy person breathes in this air, the germs enter the body and make him her sick. Diseases spread through air like tuberculosis, common cold, etc. Through contaminated food and water. Many diseases spread if we eat contaminated food or drink contaminated water. So always covered all food items, vegetables and fruits need to be washed and stored carefully. Diseases spread through contaminated food and water like typhoid, cholera, polio, jaundice, etc. Diseases spread through animal bite. Some animals also carry germs of different diseases in their body. Diseases like rabies spread through a dog bite. Through insect bite. Some insects also transmit the germs. These germs are passed into a healthy person when some insect bites him. Diseases like malaria, dengue, sleeping sickness. Now our next topic is prevention of communicable diseases. We should keep the surrounding clean. We should throw garbage into dustbin. We should eat fresh and clean food and drink clean water. We should keep the house well ventilated. Visit a doctor for overall checkup regularly and get vaccinated. So my dear children, I hope you understood all the topics today. In our next video, we will meet with the second part of the same chapter.